Okay, so now we're moving on to the actual notes part for 1G, and we've got writing expressions for perimeter and area of a rectangle. So we just need to quickly review how do we find the perimeter of a rectangle and how do we find the area of a rectangle. And you should have learned this in the last couple years of school. So this should be a review. This should be something that we already know. To find perimeter, we add up all the sides. We're finding the length around a figure. To find the area of a rectangle, all we have to do is length times width, or base times height, whatever you prefer. But you're just doing one side times the other to get the space that figure takes up, the inside area. So perimeter is that length of the outer edge. Area is the amount of space it takes up inside here, and we find that by doing length times width. So that should be a quick review for you. If you open up, let's just continue with some review here. Finding perimeter and area of both rectangles. Again, this is something I would expect you already know how to do. To find the perimeter of this, we know that if this is 11, this is also 11, and if this side is 7, this side is also 7. So we add them up, 7 plus 11 plus 7 plus 11. And I know that 7 plus 11 is 18. 7 plus 11 is 18. And 18 plus 18 is 36. So my perimeter here is 36 feet. I don't forget my label. It is a length, so I just have feet. And then for area, that's perimeter. For my area, I'm doing length times width, or base times height, which is 7 times 11. And we know that to be 77. When I label area, square area, I have feet squared because it's 77 square feet that this rectangle takes up. So it should be review. Let's review one more. If this side is 12, this side is also 12. If this is 30, this side is also 30. So to find my perimeter, I'm going to add up all my sides. 30 plus 12 plus 30 plus 12. 30 plus 12 is 42. 30 plus 12 is 42. So I'm kind of adding out of order. We can do that because of the commutative property of addition. We can change the order that we add and still get the same answer. So I'm just doing it to make it easier for me to add at the end here. And then 42 and 42 is 84. So my perimeter here is 84. My label is inches because we've got a length we're measuring. It's 84 inches around the perimeter, or around the outside. And then my area, I'm doing length times width, 30 times 12. And I know that 3 times 12 is 36, and because there's a 0, I can just add a 0 to my answer. So I have 360 as my area. And then I label inches squared, area, square area. I square my label when we're talking about areas because the area is talking about 360 square inches in the middle of that rectangle. So like I said, this should be a quick review. Next, we're going to move into writing expressions for rectangles that maybe don't always have numbers but have some variables. So we're going to look at some problem solving there and jump into that in the next video.